Hello guys, welcome to my channel.
Hello guys, today in this video we are going to learn the use of bottom navigation activity or layout, how we can use this. So just create a new project and search the bottom navigation activity and click next, and here just we give the name of the application, bottom nav example, like this, and we click on finish. So new application is going to be open here. So we are closing the previous one. So new application has been created. So this application has been created. If I run this application, so you will see that 3 bottom navigation tab is already open. So you see that by default we have the 3 tab in this example, and all threes are ready with fragments. Now we will learn how we can add over on fragment or on tab here at the bottom, and how we can handle the events on that particular fragments. So how we can add? First of all, just we have to create a new fragment. For that I have to go to the coding part. You see that in this UI part we have a 3 packages, and under these packages we have the fragments. So I just also create a new package in same manner, and I give the package name is about us, like this, and I okay. So package is ready. Then I create a new fragment under this package, that is blank fragment, and I give the name about us, like this, and finish. So this package is ready, and in about us this layout I just design the layout on which I can handle the events also. So for that we go to the code part and we see there is a text box is here. So I'm removing this text box from here, and I just add the button just to show you how I can handle the event also. So button is here, but this button will create some problem. Why? Because it's a frame layout. So I will put my on layout also, like linear layout. I put linear layout like this, and I put this button under the linear layout like that way, and then I say this match parent like this, and I say this button is btn about us, and I change the text also, and I put it about us fragment. Okay, and I give it there's a gravity layout center into the vertical manner like this. I'm just designing just to show you that we can design the this layout fragments also. So this ID is btn about us, and about us fragment is written here, and I will click on this and it will handle some event. How I can do this? Just I need to go there in the Kotlin file, and here I just have to create a variable view, and that view I will return like this, and here I will handle the event like button. So val and btn about equal to view dot find by view id dot, this is button, r dot id dot about btn about us, like this. Now I will handle the event also. So btn about dot set on click listener on click listener, like this, and here I can display toast context, and here this is about us fragment, like this, and then toast dot duration and show. So this is all about event handling also in fragments. So fragment is ready. Now we have to add this fragment at the bottom navigation, means at the bottom. Here we have to add. How can I add it? Just I go to the menu, bottom navigation, and here you see we have a this notification dashboard. So I put one item from here to this place. Okay, and now I just give the ID also. So I say I open this one and I copy all these things which is available here, copy this and place with this, and here I will change it to the about us, and here I will change the title also. That title would be about us, like this. Now I have to change icon also, so go to the design view, and here I will click on the icon and go this place, vector icon, and go this place, and I just search the icon person, and about us I just add this one to the file, this icon, finish, and I enter this one. So you see icon has been changed. So this has been done like this, same, and remember this ID. Now this will come here. If I run this application, you will see that one more item, one more menu item will be added here at the bottom navigation, but with the icon. You see, so one, this has been come here, but is not working. These are working, you see these are working, but this last one is not working because we have not added this. We have not added the fragment also with this particular item, and we have to make some changes also. Just we go to the first file, that is main activity. So in this main activity I have to add this also here, id dot navigation about us. I have to add this here, so it has been added. Now I have to go to the navigation, this part, and go to the split window or the code window and then copy this one and paste one more time, and here replace it. It is event handling for the tab about us, and here I have to give the path of the fragment which I have created. I created this one, and I have to give the title also. Title is about us, like this, and layout this notification. That notification does not want, I want about us, so that is about us. This layout, this one is here, then Java file, Kotlin file is there, ID is there, and label is there. So now if I run this, you will see that this time it will work properly. You see, now I click on this and it open my fragment, and this is also coming about us. When I click on this, the event is also handling. So we have handled the event also, we have add the fragment, and other fragments is also working. If you want to add some layouts or some components like button and text box and text view here in this layout, you can also add. Just go to their layouts like this, home layout, and here just drag and drop the item which you want to add on the fragments and handle this as I explain you, that you have to create this view, this one, and then handle the event. And if you go to these file, you see that directly they have given this binding is there fragment, and with the help of binding, view binding, you can access the item which is giving in this layout. So what is view binding? I have explained in my previous videos, so you can follow my previous video to understand the view binding. So I have not explained the view binding here, just to make it simple. I just use the find by view ID. So that's all in this video. By this video we understand how we can use bottom navigation menu in our applications. Thank you for watching my video.